Here are the best things to do in Aberdeen, Scotland. Number 14. Old Aberdeen. Imagine yourself strolling along the enchanting cobbled streets of Old Aberdeen, where history whispers from every corner. This captivating town, known as the Granite City, holds a treasure trove of stories within its walls. You can't help but be mesmerized by the architectural marvels like King's College and other buildings that exude character from different eras. Want to dive deeper into the past? Join a guided walking tour and let the knowledgeable guides regale you with fascinating tales of the monastic scholars who left their mark here centuries ago. As you soak up the ambience, remember the Aberdeen city centre with all its attractions is just a short walk away. Number 13. Aberdeen Tollbooth Museum. Step right into the spine-tingling Aberdeen Tollbooth Museum, a 17th century building where history and ghostly tales intertwine. Picture yourself wandering through the well-preserved prison cells, gaining a chilling glimpse into Aberdeen's grim past. Immerse yourself in the exhibits on law enforcement, police history, and the punishment of old. But hold on tight because there's more to uncover. If you're a believer in the supernatural, prepare to be enthralled by the reports of paranormal activity that have even caught the attention of popular TV shows. Don't miss the chance to join the ghost walks and organized ghost hunts led by expert investigators as they guide you through the haunted corridors, daring you to venture into the unknown. Number 12. St. Machar's Cathedral. Get ready to dive into Aberdeen's alluring past at St. Machar's Cathedral. Founded by St. Machar himself around AD 580, this revered site showcases ancient religious architecture, boasting a magnificent Norman-style edifice from 1131. As you explore the hallowed halls, you'll hear stories of divine revelations with legends suggesting that God or St. Columba guided St. Machar in building this sacred place. Wander through the tranquil transepts where impressive wall tombs provide resting places for past bishops of Aberdeen, underscoring the cathedral's enduring significance. Number 11. Provost Skene's House. Aberdeen's history awaits you at Provost Skene's House, the oldest surviving townhouse dating back to 1545. This place is more than just bricks and mortar. It's a time capsule ready to be explored. Start your journey right from the exterior. Let the sight of this ancient building ignite your curiosity. Imagine the hustle and bustle of life centuries ago and feel a connection to the past. Inside, you'll be intrigued by one of Scotland's most significant cycles of religious paintings. These intricate artworks dating back to the 16th century tell their own stories of devotion and creativity. Wander through the house, take in its unique atmosphere, and absorb the historical vibes. It's like stepping back in time and witnessing Aberdeen's fascinating stories firsthand. Number 10. Aberdeen Maritime Museum. Explore Aberdeen's maritime history at the Aberdeen Maritime Museum, nestled closely to the lively Aberdeen Harbour on Ship Row. Delve into the city's deep-rooted affinity with the sea and envelop yourself in this maritime heritage. This intriguing destination boasts an extensive collection of maritime art and artifacts, from shipbuilding mementos to gripping fishing exhibits and astonishing port history displays. Uncover Aberdeen's profound connection to the North Sea and its role in shaping the city's identity. Stroll through the museum's halls, admire beautiful maritime paintings, and absorb the stories of the brave soldiers who sailed these waters. This immersive experience is sure to leave a lasting impression on both locals and tourists, kindling a deeper appreciation for Aberdeen's maritime legacy. Number 9. Girdle Ness Peninsula. Girdle Ness Peninsula offers breathtaking views that will leave you speechless. Located at the mouth of the River Dee, it's a gateway to Aberdeen's bustling harbor. One of its most iconic attractions is the Girdle Ness Lighthouse, guiding ships since 1833. Standing proudly at the southern end, it's an architectural masterpiece. You'll soak in panoramic vistas of the coastline and watch ships sail into the harbor against the backdrop of the mighty North Sea. Nature enthusiasts and photography lovers will love the striking landscapes. You can take a stroll along the picturesque trails, breathe in that fresh air, and keep an eye out for some local wildlife. Number 8. Cairngorms National Park. Go on an exciting journey to Cairngorms National Park, the largest of its kind in Britain. Embrace the awe-inspiring Scottish countryside and enjoy nature's wonders. Feel the thrill as you tour its majestic mountain landscape adorned with ancient Caledonian Scots pines, creating an enchanting atmosphere. It's also a perfect place for wildlife enthusiasts as it allows them to encounter an array of beautiful creatures in their natural habitat. Did you know that this park holds a rich history dating back thousands of years? The Cairngorms were once home to ancient civilizations, leaving behind tales and stories that add to its allure. Delve into the park's mystique and you might stumble upon charming villages with friendly locals who can share their tales. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Aberdeen experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 7. Aberdeen Coastal Trail. If you find yourself in Aberdeen, you'll absolutely have to check out the Aberdeen Coastal Trail. This incredible route stretches for a whopping 165 miles and showcases some of the most impressive scenery you can imagine. We're talking towering cliffs, hidden coves, and pristine beaches that will leave you awestruck. Starting from St. Cyrus and making your way up to Stonehaven, this drive is like a visual feast for your eyes. You can spot wildlife, explore charming villages, and even get your adrenaline pumping with hiking and cycling. And history buffs, get ready for ancient castles and mysterious standing stone circles. Number 6. Stonehaven. Welcome to Stonehaven. This coastal gem is a real treat for anyone looking to have a memorable time. You just can't miss Dunnottar Castle, perched dramatically above the sea. The views are simply entrancing. Feeling curious? Head over to the Stonehaven Tollbooth Museum and dive into the fascinating stories behind this picturesque town. Don't miss exploring the pristine beaches, including the famous Stonehaven Beach. It's a perfect spot to unwind and soak up some sun. And when hunger strikes, indulge your taste buds with Aunt Betty's iconic ice cream while enjoying the stunning harbor views. It's a taste of pure bliss. For outdoor enthusiasts, Stonehaven offers plenty of coastal walks and hiking trails. The scenic beauty will leave you in awe and provide an excellent way to connect with nature. Number 5. King's College of Aberdeen. If you find yourself in Aberdeen, you shouldn't miss King's College. This place is a real time traveler. It's been around since 1495. It's not just some old college, it's the home of the famous University of Aberdeen, a big deal in Scotland's education scene. The best part is the magnificent chapel. It's not just for show, they host weddings and concerts there. Can you imagine attending a wedding in such a historic spot? The lovely atmosphere it creates will keep you captivated. Walking around the campus is like taking a trip back in time. The buildings are just gorgeous, each with its own unique story. Whether you're into history or not, you'll be blown away. Number 4. Brig o Balgownie. Cross Brig o Balgownie and be transported back in time to experience Aberdeen's historic charm. This 13th century medieval bridge, gracefully arching over the picturesque River Don, beckons you to explore the wonders of Old Aberdeen. Crafted from the iconic grey granite that defines the city's architecture, this bridge boasts an amazing single Gothic diamond arch, a true testament to ancient engineering. You know what's fascinating? Brig o Balgownie is Scotland's oldest bridge. It has witnessed centuries of travelers crossing its path. As you stroll along, take a moment to enjoy the gripping surroundings. The bridge is surrounded by lush woodlands, creating a serene and scenic backdrop. Number 3. Castlegate Square. Located at the east end of Union Street, Castlegate Square is a treasure trove of historical wonders and a remarkable destination. Marvel at the centerpiece, Aberdeen's Mercat Cross, a majestic landmark dating back to 1686. Its intricate carvings showcase the interesting history of Scottish royalty. Make sure to visit Provost Skene's house nearby, where well-preserved exhibits offer deeper insights into the city's local history. Before leaving, stroll through the cobbled streets and you'll discover delightful shops, cafes, and restaurants that capture the essence of this wonderful place. Number 2. Kirk Hill Forest. For nature lovers and adventure seekers, Kirk Hill Forest near Aberdeen is an absolute gem. Just a short distance from the city, it's a perfect escape into nature's embrace. Lace up your hiking boots and take a leisurely stroll along the well-marked trails. The views along the way are unbelievable, with rolling hills and picturesque countryside as far as the eye can see. Keep your eyes peeled for furry little friends like squirrels and a chorus of wild birds. If you're up for an adrenaline rush, don't miss the Mountain Bike Fun Park. It's a thrilling playground for two-wheeled adventurers. What's even more interesting about Kirk Hill Forest is its rich history and strong connection to the local community. You'll feel the love and care that have been poured into preserving this natural haven. Number 1. Balmoral Castle. Cap off your Aberdeen adventure with a visit to the magnificent Balmoral Castle. This place is absolutely worth adding to your itinerary. Balmoral Castle holds a special place in the hearts of the British royal family and is where Queen Elizabeth spent her childhood summers. As you explore the vast grounds, spanning 50,000 acres, you'll feel a sense of grandeur and history surrounding you. Set against the backdrop of the majestic Cairngorms Mountains, the views from Balmoral Castle are nothing short of awe-inspiring. Take a moment to soak in the beauty of the River Dee and the nearby Loch Nugger Mountain. It's a sight you won't soon forget. Although you can't see the castle directly from the outside, don't worry. Wandering through the picturesque grounds will transport you to a bygone era. Click here for more things to do in Scotland.